In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use World Slash in Jujutsu Shenanigans on the PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to perform the World Cutting Slash if you are playing Jujutsu Shenanigans with a PlayStation 4 controller. Don't worry, I know that I'm recording this video on my PC and the buttons are all displayed as Xbox buttons, but I'm still going to teach you how to do it on a PlayStation 4. All that you have to do is press L1, R2, then L2, and then the left D-pad while you are the awakened form of the vessel or the King of Curses. So first, make sure that you fill out your awakening bar and then you try this combination of buttons. L1, R2, L2, and then left D-pad. And you should see this. Scale of the Dragon, Recoil, Twin Meteors. So once again, you have to do L1, R2, L2, and then left D-pad. It is a quick combination of buttons. If you take too long, you will not see the proper attacks go off. So you don't have to wait. You press L1, immediately press R2, L2, and then left D-pad. And as long as you are awakened, you should be able to get the Twin Meteors animation. You will see these speech bubbles on top of your character, and the move will go off. It is a very destructive move, and the more players that are caught on this attack, the more damage it's going to do. It's going to ragdoll them back, and once again, I'm gonna keep repeating the commands. You have to press L1 and then immediately press R2 into L2 into left D-pad, and as long as you are able to get it quickly, you should see it go off. If you take too long to press R2, this is what's going to happen. Look, so if I press L1 and then I take too long, I'm not going to see anything. In fact, if you do it in the wrong order, or if you take too long, you might see other attacks go off. Your character has to do this pose, and then you should be able to get Twin Meteors. Now, obviously, I have cooldowns off, so it's very easy for me to spam this move, but if cooldowns are enabled when you try to do this, you will have to wait until all the moves are properly lined up. I hope I was able to help you on how to use World Slash in Jujutsu Shenanigans on PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.